If you're watching this video, you must be searching for a business or a side hustle idea that will make money quick. If you are one of them, please skip the video because this video is not going to help you. Now, for those of you who really want to know a genuine side hustle idea that actually is going to work, please watch the video till the end because this video is going to really help you. Now, before I get into the top 5 side hustle ideas, I want to talk to you about a couple of things. Now, the main problem that you have is not that you are out of business ideas or side hustle ideas. It is that you are procrastinating and not taking action. You need to work on your taking action skill. So make sure by the end of this video, just choose one side hustle out of the 5 side hustles I am going to tell you and take action right now. You're watching video after video after video, which is not going to take you anywhere. I am no one to tell you what your problem is. It's just that I would want someone to tell me what my problem was a year ago when I was searching for a side hustle idea. So without wasting any time, let's get into the top 5 side hustles you can try in 2022. Now, the first side hustle on our list is starting a YouTube channel. Honestly speaking, as you already must have judged, this is my side hustle. This channel that you are watching, you're only watching because I stayed consistent. That's why you are here right now. Starting a YouTube channel, there are 2 key factors to keep in mind. First one is to stay consistent. And the second one is don't make videos just for the sake of making videos. Make videos that you're really interested in, that's something that you really are passionate about. And there is always something that you are interested in and passionate about and you have knowledge of too. It's just that you need to believe in yourself and figure out something that actually interests you. Now, the benefits of starting a YouTube channel are, the first one is that you don't need any investment to start a YouTube channel. You just need to go to your channel, click, make a video and upload it. The second one is you can fit in the timing in your day-to-day daily job or whatever routine you have. It does not take a lot of time in the beginning. 2 hours a day and you're good to go. Now, I'm not going to teach you how to create a YouTube channel because that is pretty simple. There are many options to start a YouTube channel. The first one is you can start a YouTube automation channel. There are a couple of videos on the internet about YouTube automation. Just watch one video and take a decision and start your channel. You don't have to watch video after video in order to take action. Taking action is the most important thing, not watching videos after videos. So, if you are interested in something like this, go right now, start a YouTube channel and make a video and upload it within 1 or 2 days. The second side hustle on our list is affiliate marketing through blogging. Now, this is a side hustle that requires 2 hours of work and consistency. And it requires very little upfront investment. The steps that you have to follow is select a topic, a niche that you are going to write about on your blog. And there are many free tools to actually start a blog. You don't have to write a blog. There's a tool called Google Docs in which there is a tool that you can just speak on there, whatever you want to write about, and it will automatically write it for you. You don't have to necessarily write. You can also copy and paste some content. There are few free softwares through which you can do that. If you want a detailed video about how to do this, write in a comment section down below and I will definitely cover this topic. Now, when you have decided a topic and a niche, you have to take hosting from a website. You have to take a hosting, you have to take a domain name, and then you need to actually start building your website. Once you have built your website, you need to write a blog. And then once you start getting traffic to your blog, you can start earning through affiliate marketing. You can give links to websites, links to products. And if a person clicks on that link and actually buys something, you're going to get some money. So if you want me to make a video about this topic, please write down below and I will make an in-detail video on how to earn through affiliate marketing and blogging. Now, the next side hustle on our list is graphic design through freelancing. There are a lot of free tools through which you can create good graphic designs and you should take advantage of that. So you must be knowing there is a free tool known as Canva through which you can make banners, cards, logos, posters, everything. and you just need to select one topic out of those and post a gig on Fiverr. So to actually show you how to do that, I need to hop onto my computer screen. If you know what Canva is, it's good. So go to your web browser and type in Canva, Canva. Once you've typed in, just go here. You need to sign up. I have an account, so I'm going to log in. So once you've logged into Canva, here you see presentation, logo, Instagram post, flyers, resume. So I'm going to go to Instagram post. And it is really very simple to create designs here. Just create one, just select a theme. There are many themes to choose from. Select a theme and you need to just change around some stuff and then you can give it to the buyer. It's that simple. Now, there are 2-3 steps that you need to follow in order to become a successful freelancer. The first one is create an Instagram account. Name your Instagram account, make some designs and post on your Instagram account. Post a gig on Fiverr, post a gig on Upwork, and once you have created an Instagram profile, a portfolio, you need to start sending messages to influencers, creators that, hi, my name is this, I am a graphic designer, and are you interested in some logo or some banner, Instagram posts? If you send 10 to 15 messages to people, some of them are going to reply, and then you can charge anywhere from $5 to $20 from them per Instagram post or per logo. And Fiverr.com is a place where you can post gigs and start your work. If you want me to make any video about these side hustles, one in detailed video, I will show you. I will create an account, I will show you how to do, I will show you even the sales part, advertisement part, the Google ads, everything, how to run everything. The next side hustle on our list is print on demand. If you don't know what print on demand is, it is a service where you create designs in Photoshop or any other software, even the website softwares where you do print on demand. So you create a design and upload to your store. You open an online store, it's just nothing, it's just a website where you need to visit, a website like Teesprings, where you need to visit, you need to sign up, you need to create your own store just by a click of a button. Just name your store something, give it a theme, like some theme of dogs or cats or pets or fishing theme, and then start creating designs. The creation of designs is really very easy. You can also create designs in Canva, the free graphic design tool that I told you in the previous side hustle. So you just need to create designs and upload to that store. And it just takes anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes to upload 2 or 3 designs per day. If you do it consistently for 1 month, you will have anywhere from 50 to 100 designs. And then there are chances that people are going to start ordering your t-shirts or any product on that website. This is for people who really are consistent. All these ideas that I'm giving you right now are for people who are consistent, who are ready to do the work, and who are not searching for a shortcut. If you think that I'm giving you same ideas that you've heard before in this video, there are only these ideas through which you can make money, because you need to be consistent, you need to be patient, you need to put in the work. You need to be ready to put in the work. So there is nothing different that is going to make you rich quick. It's just that you need to take action. I'm telling you again and again. So by the end of this video, make sure to take action. The fifth and the last side hustle on our list is Amazon FBA. This is for someone who is already experienced in trying online businesses and has some knowledge and has some upfront investment too. You need $1,000 to $2,000, but the returns are insane. The returns are massive. So what happens if you don't know what Amazon FBA is? So the first step in this is to buy a cheaper product in bulk from a cheaper website like Alibaba.com, AliExpress, all these websites, and then send that inventory to the Amazon warehouse. And your product will be showing on the Amazon website. And once it shows there, people are going to start ordering, because your product is not going to stay on the side. Amazon is going to promote your product on its own. The main thing in this is you need $1,000 to $2,000 of upfront investment. So it's just good for people who have that investment. So what you can do is you can start the 4 side hustles, one of the 4 side hustles, and whatever you earn from there by taking action right now, whatever you earn from there within 1 or 2 months, you take that money and invest it into Amazon FBA. And this is a path that you're going to follow to start gaining success on your online side hustle journey. So this was it for the video. If you liked the video, please do subscribe to my channel, share the video, and write down below if you want a full in detail video about any of the 5 side hustles. I'm going to be making an in detail video about every side hustle if you want me to. So just write a comment down below, and yeah, I'll meet you in my next video.